Raisa says, is there any zakat on gold that we wear every day if it reaches nisab amount? It's an issue of dispute. Some scholars say that zakat on gold is only on that which you do not use or wear. Others, and this is reported by the companions, some of the companions, they say that it is only on the gold that a person possesses but not uses. So jewelry that a women wear are like clothes. They don't give zakat on clothes. You don't give zakat on your car. Likewise, you don't give zakat on your jewelry. But the most authentic opinion of scholars is that gold and silver are the main artery of economy in any country. So whether you are hoarding it or keeping it in safekeeping or using it as jewelry, there has to be zakat on them. There's no zakat on diamonds. There's no zakat on rubies and emeralds and the likes, or platinum, white gold, as they say. But the yellow gold and the silver, you have to pay zakat. And the verses of hoarding gold and silver mentioned in chapter 9, Surah Al-Tawbah, and the hadiths of the Prophet ﷺ stating that bracelets of fire for those who do not give its zakat. All of these evidences prove generally that a woman must give zakat on her gold and silver.